The art of astrology teaches that our lives are governed by the position and movement of the various stars and planets. Regardless of your own opinion on the matter, it remains that each of us has our own zodiac sign that corresponds directly to the day that we were born. Imagine, as a mystery performer, being able to divine the zodiac signs of up to 6 participants in your audience with only a couple of questions. What's more, you then proceed to end this amazing demonstration by revealing one of your volunteers' exact birthday. This show-stopping effect can now be a part of your show with Richard Osterland's newest creation, Zodiac Revolution Plus. It's based on the demonstration captured on Richard's No Camera Tricks DVD set, but Zodiac Revolution Plus takes this concept so much further. Richard has removed all of the memory work with the tools that are included with the Zodiac Revolution Plus system, allowing you to add this powerful effect to your show almost immediately.
Person number 1, are you a Libra?
Yes.
Number 2, are you a Scorpio?
Yes.
Number 3, are you an Aries?
Yes.
And number 4, are you also an Aries?
Yes.
Number 5, are you a Virgo? And number 6, are you a Pisces? 2,985,985 to 1! Thank you.
Besides the comprehensive booklet that explains everything you need to know about this remarkable routine in Richard's usual meticulous detail, you'll also receive a full-color stage-size poster of the signs of the zodiac, and a template that can be used over and over again that allows you to easily create the special something that makes this routine so simple to perform. Richard Osterland's Zodiac Revolution Plus. Get personal with your audiences today.